Hi everyone, and welcome to Rose Finance. Today, we're going to be talking about investing for beginners. Investing can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the financial world. But the truth is, investing is something that everyone should consider regardless of their age or income level. In this video, we're going to break down the basics of investing and give you some actionable tips to get started. What is investing? Investing is simply the process of putting your money to work to grow your wealth over time. There are many different ways to invest, but some of the most common include stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder of the company and are entitled to a share of its profits. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are baskets of stocks or bonds that are managed by a professional. Investing in a mutual fund allows you to own a piece of many different companies or bonds with a single investment. Why should you invest? There are many reasons why you should invest, but some of the most important include to grow your wealth. Over the long term, the stock market has consistently outpaced inflation. This means that investing can help you grow your money faster than it would simply sitting in savings account. To reach your financial goals. Investing can help you reach your financial goals, such as buying a home, retiring early, or paying for your children's education. To protect your future, investing can help you protect your future by providing you with a nest egg that you can rely on in retirement. How to get started. Investing. If you're new to investing, there are a few things you can do to get started. Educate yourself. There are many resources available to help you learn about investing. You can read books, watch videos, or take online courses. Determine your risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance is the amount of risk you're comfortable taking with your investments. If you're risk averse, you may want to invest in more conservative investments. If you're more risk tolerant, you may be comfortable investing in stocks. Open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is an account that allows you to buy and sell investments. There are many different brokerage firms to choose from, so shop around and compare fees and services. Start small. You don't need to invest a lot of money to get started. Start by investing a small amount that you can afford to lose. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. It takes time to build wealth, so don't expect to get rich quick. Be patient and stay focused on your long-term goals. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is the process of spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes. This can help to reduce your risk and improve your overall returns. Additional tips for beginners. Here are a few additional tips for beginners. Don't try to time the market. It's impossible to predict when the stock market will go up or down. Instead, focus on investing for the long term. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Investing involves risk, so only invest money that you can afford to lose. Seek professional advice. If you're not comfortable making investment decisions on your own, you can seek professional advice from a financial advisor. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth and reach your financial goals. But it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. By following the tips in this video, you can get started on your investing journey with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to Rose Finance and also like this video and turn on the bell so you can get updated on what you can invest on and how you can build your own wealth from scratch.